Good morning, it's Alexis from the Multi-Hull Company. We are aboard the Bali 4.1 2020 owner's version named Lady Anna today, and we are going to do a walkthrough of this beautiful boat. This is an owner's version, as I said. What you're seeing here now is the very nice dinghy with a console on it and a large Honda outboard. Big settee in the back. The boat's got a big solar array, 1800 watts of solar in two places. The solar arch that you see here, and I'll show you the coach roof bimini top that has some as well. That's a quick view onto the interior salon. I will show you that more closely in a bit. Helm station up here. The boat has twin Yanmar 40 horsepower engines. Raymarine electronics, a plotter here. Wind and speed repeater here. All lines are led back to this position here, this helm station. There's an electric winch to starboard that runs all the halyards and the dinghy lift. Panning forward, you can see the Starlink antenna here that's installed on the rooftop, or the coach roof. Looking aft, I will show you this large solar array. There you go, that's three very large panels and then a wind generator there. There's four of these 110 watt panels. Now this boat has a very nice sail wardrobe. It's got a in-boom furling mainsail, a self-tacking jib forward, and you can see there's a Jenniker forward of the self-tacking jib, and it also has a parasailer. Parasailer is a great downwind sail, as you know. Very practical because it can really be used 24/7 sometimes if the conditions are right. Okay, heading back down the port side here, and then I'm going to pan forward on the port deck and head forward. Very large sitting area here. You can also use it for meals. There are two tables here that deploy. Very convenient with the opening window to the galley right there. The generator and the water maker are beneath the locker that's right there. I'll photograph those separately. There's a small bowsprit with a Jenniker, of course, on a continuous furler, and then there's a furler for the self-tacking jib. Radar, as you can see there. Okay, so we're going to head back inside and show you the interior of this beautiful boat. Welcome to the interior walkthrough of this Bali 4.1 Lady Anna. This is actually a 3-cabin, 3-head. This is the huge salon with a very big dining table here, settee. You can put as many as 8 people in this salon, or on that table rather. You've got side opening windows here. Of course, the garage door, as they call it, overhead, and this closes off the exterior. We got a full height fridge and freezer here, Lieber. Household fridge. And then this large galley / chart table to starboard. The galley has a double sink, 3-burner stove here, and an oven just below it. One of the great features of the Bali 4.1 is this opening window here forward. This really brings in a nice breeze. We're at anchor here today, and there's a fantastic breeze that just flows right through the boat. The chart table is here to starboard. This boat has a lot of equipment on it. It has a large 15 kVA Fisher Panda generator. It has a water maker, 110 liters per hour. Another plotter here, you saw the one above. Multi-meter here. The Raymarine VHF. And there is the Victron charger control. This boat is a 220 volt boat. 12 volt systems on board. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but these are the Starlink connectors there, modem. And this is the view looking aft to the sea there. And as you can tell, we've got just a great panoramic view, and it's very, very wide open. Let's go see the owner's stateroom, which is to port here. So heading down companionway, we've got a big desk here with television, some storage above it and below it. Island queen in the back aft. Storage each side of the bunks. This is a liveaboard boat, as you can tell, so there's quite a bit of owner's equipment on board, cruising guides and various books. Now looking forward through the owner's hull, we've got a privacy door here, so you see how that works. It's pretty straightforward, of course. That closes off the whole cabin to the main salon. And then forward, we've got a proper bathroom with a walk-in shower, a bench, a porthole for ventilation, electric head. The three electric heads, or the three heads on this boat are electric. And this is a nice feature, a washing machine. And this fits nicely into this cabinet here, perfect size. The mini sink on the inboard side. And then looking aft again, there's plenty of storage and hanging lockers here throughout. Back up into the galley area. And we're going to go to the starboard side now to show you the two guest cabins, each with their own suite bathrooms. The first one is the aft desk cabin, another queen island bed. Plenty of light here. Big port in the back, window rather, two portholes outboard. And then we've got a bathroom with electric head. And then panning forward, we got a big V-berth here. There are nice four-peaks port and starboard that are accessible through, as you can see, a hatch there, and you can open those for more ventilation or to access storage. Two portholes on the outboard side. And here's the bathroom for the forward starboard cabin, electric head. This boat, as I said, is a 220. It has remained in very nice condition. Private owners, never chartered. The current owners sailed it across the Atlantic. They picked it up in Croatia, actually. Sailed it across the Atlantic, down to Brazil, around the Caribbean. Thank you very much for the visit. Don't hesitate to contact me, Alexis, at the Multi-Hull Company for any questions or viewings. Happy to tell you more about this very pretty Bali 4.1 owner's version. Thank you.